Hey YouTube, XBMC Nut here. Just want to do a quick video to show you how I broke open my DJI Osmo Mobile 2. This particular unit has a sealed battery and it's a bugger of a thing to try and get apart. So just in case I need to take it apart again, a little video for myself, and I've now actually got it charging, which is nice. Before I did the little battery graft, I could only get the first light to go, and it just wouldn't hold a charge. So just grab the battery pack. The battery pack that's in these things is this here. It's just two 18650s in series. So 7.2 volts, 8.4 when fully charged. So what I did is I broke apart an old laptop battery and just took out the 18650s were in there and grafted that in. But if I flip that over, you will see that is what I've done. So yeah, negative on one side and then positive down the bottom there, and then you've got a centre thing for the BMS, which is a little board down in here. But what I wanted to show you was the tabs on here. So there's a grab tab here, here, and then there's one there, there, there and there, and then two up the top. So what I found was the perfect tool, if I can find it, was my scraper for my 3D printer. That was absolutely perfect for getting down in there. But the other thing I did is I spent about half an hour just with a blade, just cutting along the edges. And you can actually see, look here, that I haven't managed to munt the edges too badly. So it doesn't look too bad. And what I found when I opened it is under these tabs there were little sellotape double-sided strips under here, but I have a feeling it was glued along here as well. So cutting into this with the blade just along there manages to separate the glue. And then what I did once I'd done that for about half an hour is I got the blade in there and managed to pry it open. So you can see the catches on the other side, here and here and here, 1, 2, 3, and then there's two down the end. So I should be able to get it back together, hopefully, without too much of a palaver. And yeah, we're actually charging there now. So I've made myself a little battery tester, or battery capacity tester. I can find what I did with it. No, can't find it. Just a little 1.2 ohm 30 watt resistor. So I'm just going to do a load test on these before I put it all back together. So yeah, that's how to replace the batteries, the 18650s, in a DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Thanks for watching.